Okay, first one at the cookery school. This should be fun. We're going to knock up some potato gnocchi and we're going to serve that with some bacon, some blue cheese, broccoli and Cavolo Nero. So to keep this gnocchi nice and light, not really watery and stodgy, put your potato on a tray, a little bit of oil, a little bit of seasoning, and let's bake that in the oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, that's nicely cooked now. Cut the potato in half, just let the steam come out of it ever so slightly to cool down. So we've got about 150 grams there, 170 grams of cooked potato. So we probably go for about 30 grams of double O flour. In with some flour, we'll go with an egg yolk as well. Give that a nice little mix, give that to a nice dough, don't overwork this bit too much. And at this stage here, you could be putting in some Parmesan, a little bit of nutmeg, loads of different flavours can go in at this point, but we're just going to keep it basic just for this one. Roll that out into two nice little sausages. You don't really want to be overworking it because it's just going to go really doughy, get all that gluten going too much, and that's absolutely fine. Cut them into about 1 inch size or so, and then leave that to cure with some fine semolina on a tray until we've got the rest of the stuff ready. They're very happy there. To be fair, they would benefit from a little bit of time anyway, just so they can just dry out ever so slightly. I'm just going to turn them over now. Heat up a pan with some butter, cook off some bacon lardons, then add the broccoli. So we should find that the bacon gets nice and caramelised around the same time as the broccoli becomes cooked. So now we're going to think about going in with the Cavolo Nero, giving that some time. We're not going to add any water to this. There's already enough moisture in the vegetables as it is. We want to make it nice and nutty and caramelised with the butter anyway. When you're happy that's done, add that to a bowl. Chop up some blue cheese. Just give that time to just soften that up a little bit. And just mix that through. Now, let's cook our gnocchi. Bring up a pan of salted water. Gently put your gnocchi in. When they've just started simmering to the surface, heat up a pan with some butter and just pan fry off the gnocchi. Yeah, nice. So you're looking for a nice little crust. That's exactly what we're looking for. This dish is wicked because it's so simple, really. You've seen how easy that was to make from start to finish. There's no reason why you couldn't just go buy packet gnocchi, but if you really want to advance your cookery, like you need to be making this stuff. The special thing really is just the lightness of the gnocchi. It's not boiling the potatoes, it's roasting them, trying to lose moisture rather than adding more into it. We've got nice fluffy gnocchi, really light, all that umami, blue cheese, bacon and broccoli. This is a banger. Get involved.